Just to be clear, I'm too smart to be seduced by you.
Well, that's why I like you.
So, did you kiss her?
No, the moment wasn't right. Look, this woman could actually be my future wife. I want our first kiss to be amazing.
Oh, Ted, that is so sweet. So you chickened out like a little bitch.
She didn't even give me the signal.
What, is she gonna batter eyes at you in Morse code, Ted? Kiss me. No, you just kiss her.
Not if you don't get the signal.
Did Marshall give me the signal?
No! I didn't, I swear.
But see, at least tonight I get to sleep knowing Marshall and me never gonna happen. You should have kissed her.
I should have kissed her.
You should have kissed her.
There's no such thing as the signal. But yeah, that was the signal. See it through.
Bah, Carl, thank you. Something I gotta do.
By the way, you should have kissed her.
That was not the signal.
I asked her about it years later, and yeah, that was the signal. I could have kissed her.